Welcome to JJ Creativity Fun Time channel. So I'm going to stay in this rosewood ooty resort for 2 days. This is the garden outside. Let's go inside the resort and explore. This is the relaxing area and they keep the campfire here. There are a lot of statues like those. Here we can play chess, and there's another campfire hole here. And we can play carom board. And this is the mirror. Now let's go see my rooms. So those are the rooms, the bed, and there's a TV here, and it's with Amazon, YouTube and Netflix. This is the teacup area. We can make tea and drink here. This is the dining hall. This is the hall area with decorated plants. Those are some pictures of statues.